Joel Michaely. Joel Michaely is an American actor, film producer. He has appeared in such films as Can't Hardly Wait, But I'm a Cheerleader, Ghost World, The Rules of Attraction, Kiss Kiss Bang Bang, Cruel World, Factory Girl, and Itty Bitty Titty Committee. On television, Michaely has appeared in Unhappily Ever After, Sabrina the Teenage Witch, and Popular. He produced the 2005 film The Quiet. Selected filmography: Can't Hardly Wait 1998 as Jeff X-File No. 1. But I'm a Cheerleader 1999 as Joel Goldberg. Ghost World 2001 as Porno Cashier. The Rules of Attraction 2002 as Raymond. Wonderland 2003 as Bruce Scenes Deleted. Kiss Kiss Bang Bang 2005 as Eugene. Cruel World 2005 as Jack. Factory Girl 2006 as Joey. The Still Life 2006 as Robert. Itty Bitty Titty Committee 2007 as Peter. I Am Michael 2015 as co-producer. Carrie Pilby 2016 as George. Farewell Emmer 2020 as Aubrey. Run Hide Fight 2020 as Mr. Yates.